Today we're going to make the rainbow fairy together. Start by placing the front body piece on top of the back body piece, making sure the edges line up nicely. Begin sewing from the top of the fairy's head using a simple running stitch. Sew up and down through the holes. Keeping your stitches nice and even as you work around the fairy. Before closing the final section, leave a small opening and gently add the stuffing inside. You can use your fingers or a pencil to help spread the stuffing evenly, so your fairy becomes soft and nicely shaped. Once you're happy with the filling, continue stitching to close the opening completely. Now it's time to decorate your rainbow fairy using the double-sided adhesive felt stickers. Follow the booklet illustration as you place each piece onto the fairy. Start with the decorative elements. Carefully peel off the backing from each double-sided adhesive felt sticker and press it firmly into place for a few seconds so it sticks well. Then add the rainbow dress pieces. Finally, attach the star wand and glitter wings. And just like that, your rainbow fairy is complete.